Yo guys, what's up? Rich G here. You're watching Rich G Insights. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Today I want to talk to you guys about an exciting investment opportunity that I've had my eye on for some time. Of course, that is Coinbase. Coinbase will be listing their stock direct on the NASDAQ on April 14th, and it'll be the first opportunity for outside investors to invest. I want to talk to you guys about why I'll be buying in the IPO and why I think Coinbase is a great company, especially for those interested in the cryptocurrency space but maybe not as well versed in the technology, or up until now you've sat on the sidelines and haven't purchased any cryptocurrencies. So yeah, let's get into it. As you'll see here, I've pulled up the announcement from CNBC about the listing of Coinbase. Like I said, they'll begin trading on April 14th after receiving approval for a direct listing. It'll be on the NASDAQ, and the trading symbol / stock ticker that you can invest in will be COIN or coin. It's a pretty cool stock symbol if you ask me. And yeah, other things to note of interest that this article mentions, as you can see here, is that Coinbase is the first major direct listing of any company on the NASDAQ. It's a less common way to go public, the most standard being IPOs and another one being SPACs, which stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Corporations. If you followed the EV sector, the electric vehicle sector, you probably heard a lot about that one lately. Several companies have done direct listings on the New York Stock Exchange in recent months and years. However, this is the first time a company of this size will be direct listed on the NASDAQ, so kind of a milestone in some ways, although not a very significant one, and doesn't change the investability or how good of an investment that this may or may not be. Just a little fun fact for people interested in how the stock market works and stuff like that. As you can see here, they're valued at $8 billion towards the end of 2018, which is a long way away from what they'll be listed at during their IPO, around $68 billion. So it's exciting for a few reasons. It shows a lot of growth in the space. Generally, when a company is first listed on a stock exchange, I like to sit on the sidelines and wait for the market to determine a more fair value than the issuing price. However, as you might recall with companies like Beyond Meat, sometimes there never really is a great time to get in, because although the share price is bid up immediately after the IPO, it never really comes back down to a perfect price. And I think that long term, it's very clear Coinbase will continue to grow, continue to be a leader in their market, continue to expand into new markets. And yeah, so I just think that there's never going to be a perfect stock price to buy at, and I'm just going to stick to dollar cost averaging to get myself a better deal over time. For those of you unfamiliar with dollar cost averaging, or DCA, it's essentially just averaging the purchase price that your stock is bought at over time by making periodic purchases. So if the stock is trading at $100 and then it goes down to $80 and you buy it in the same amount that you bought the first time, one share each time, let's say, then your new dollar cost average of your 2 shares is $90, which you get by adding up 80 and 100 and dividing by 2. So basically, I'm just going to periodically keep adding to my position in Coinbase over time and expect it to keep growing. And if it goes down and I buy, then my average purchased share price will decrease. If not, then I will have profits from my initial purchases, and I'll just keep adding to that investment. So I want to hear from you guys though. Are you buying the Coinbase IPO? Why or why not? What's your holding time frame if you are? Do you think that a lot of people who don't invest in cryptocurrencies are going to invest in Coinbase to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market? Do you think that it's silly that a cryptocurrency company is being listed on a exchange? You know, like they're literally a cryptocurrency exchange, and now they're going to sell their stock on the stock exchange. Like, it's a little weird to me almost. It both validates them as a, you know, a serious company, but it also sort of raises a question mark in my mind, because you would think that there would be some sort of cryptocurrency stock exchange that they could list themselves on. I don't know why there's not yet. Hopefully someone's working on it. If you're working on it, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. But yeah, guys, I think it's really a milestone for the cryptocurrency industry at large. I think it's a great investment. I always like to think of the analogy that the people who really made the money in the gold rush in the 1800s were those selling the pickaxe, not those prospecting for gold and swinging the pickaxe. You know, you make money on every pickaxe you sell, guaranteed, but it takes a bit of luck and timing to actually strike gold. So in this case, Coinbase is selling the cryptocurrencies. They're making money off people buying and selling and sending it. They have institutional investors, you know, like giant corporations. They've got individual investors like you or me. I expect them to continue expanding into new markets and regions and offering new products, listing additional currencies that meet their requirements to be listed on their platform, like Cardano was recently. If you missed my video on that, please check it out. Link will be here. And yeah, so guys, please let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think it's a bad idea that I'm buying Coinbase and its direct listing on the NASDAQ. Let me know if you'll be buying, and let me know if you want to hear more about my investments in Coinbase or Coinbase in general. I have some other ideas and videos to make about Coinbase that I'd like to share with you guys if you're interested. Other than that, I hope you're having a great day. Hope you continue to have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you would like more content, and if you enjoyed the content, comment with any of those answers or anything else on your mind below. Can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.